few decades, India has gone from strength to strength. It holds the proud distinction of being one of the fastest growing economies in the world. And we, at Coal and Oil Group, are proud to be part of the Indian growth story. Scripting development, transforming lives, powering growth, the Coal and Oil Group way. Our journey began in 1998 as a coal trading firm with a single-minded objective of providing integrated energy solutions from sourcing to shipping, from logistics to power generation. Today we are a 100 billion rupee strong organization and among India's leading power companies and importers of coal, providing effective solutions to some of the largest companies in the world. At the helm of affairs is Mr. Ahmed A.R. Buhari, our visionary founder, president and CEO. Under his inspiring leadership, we aspire to be among India's most respected energy and infrastructure companies.
Actually, this idea of getting into power generation and coal trading came up to me when I was in school. I was still studying in 1993. So I felt people like us, educated Indians, should come back and serve our mother country. So that's how I got into this. Started off with coal trading, and then eventually we went on to power generation, and now we're hoping to get into industrial parks. And as we go forward, I think we're going to have world-class industrial parks built up. We're also looking at other forms of energy, clean energy, wind, solar, coal gasification, and things like that are items that we're looking at the future, because India is a big country and the energy needs will keep growing as we go forward. And I think there will be a lot of interesting things for us to do as we go forward.
The Buhari family, including the CEO's grandfather, KTMS Syed Muhammad Buhari, and his father, B.S. Abdur Rahman, were very fond of Tuticorin, which is why our pilot project was in pearls and our recent forays focus Our group is divided into three verticals: fuel management, power generation, and industrial parks. We provide customized fuel management solutions for PSUs, independent power plants, cement factories, sugar mills, and several other industries all over India and countries like Pakistan, Taiwan, and more. What's more, we have enabled savings running into hundreds of millions through our unique total cost of ownership model. With the Muttiara thermal power plant, we became one of the largest independent power producers in Tamil Nadu, besides supporting its industrial growth. Situated near Tuticorin, VOC Port Trust and Tuticorin Airport, Muttiara thermal power plant is spread over a sprawling 1,000 acres and has the ultimate capacity to produce 4,800 megawatts of electricity. In Phase 1, 1,200 megawatts, with two units of 600 megawatts. First unit of 600 megawatts started functioning and the power is supplied to Tamil Nadu Electricity Board. Second unit is expected shortly. The proposed Phase 2 will have a capacity of 1,600 megawatts and Phase 3 will have a capacity of 2,000 megawatts. We have set a target of 4,800 megawatts of power generation by 2023. We established the state-of-the-art Muttiara desalination plant of 13.5 MLD capacity in 2012 as a part of the thermal power plant, instead of using the Tamiraparani river water which was officially allotted to us. Our infrastructure is aesthetically designed in line with the local terrain and our routes, pearls, waves, the shape of our turbine generator building, fire tender and warehouse, and M-shaped gas-insulated substation building. Besides state-of-the-art coal handling and other world-class infrastructure. Then there's the Coastal Industrial Park. This 2,000-acre estate is situated right on the 120-kilometer Madurai-Tuticorin Industrial Corridor and in the vicinity of Muttiara. It is well connected to 5 airports, has a state-of-the-art 4-lane highway with excellent port and rail connectivity, besides seamless power and water to be provided by us. Last but not the least, we believe in balancing progress with social development. From planting 100,000 trees inside the campus of Muttiara Thermal Power Plant, to adopting the latest technologies to minimize waste, from adopting the surrounding villages to providing free education and water, from building roads to ensuring free medical checkups and employment for the locals, we constantly strive to maintain the delicate ecosystem with our CSR activities. The Coal and Oil Group, we are passionate about our mission of powering growth and taking India to the next level. Coal and Oil Group,